Hey guys, this is Ceiling Fans Rock, and today I have a Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan from the Home Depot. I got this at Chansley Habitat yesterday. The reason why we went there is because we're trying to find the Palisade speed controls. Unfortunately, they weren't there. But we're gonna have to find one off the internet. And this Stratford was sold at Home Depot, like I said. This is the 52-inch version. There is a 44-inch version like this one that was made in July 3rd, 2003. July 3rd, 2003. So they do have 44-inch size. And also, it is a quick connect as well. See? I'll show you how to get the blades off here. As you can see, there's this little black piece right here. This is how you remove it. You take this black piece, and this black piece just unfolds the blade. And if you want to, if you don't want the white side, you can change it to the weak side, and that's how you take it off. See? Now I'm gonna put this back on here. Do exactly the same thing. Just close it. There you go. So that's how the blades come on. Now this is actually a 5-minute fan too, and it's actually not mounted correctly. Well, because the bracket at Habitat was nowhere to be found. So it does have a really fast rotor, but it's like quick connect stuff. This looks kind of interesting fan. So it's white. It's white. Has this decorative ring. Couldn't put it on because the brace is broken. See, watch. I can't get it on, so it's just sitting there. So yeah, it's a nice Stratford fan. So now this is just gonna be the white side. I am gonna show you the other side since it's quick connectable anyway. Anyways, here's the light. See, he's just using regular bulbs. See. This. See if it's inside. It is. There you go. There's low. Really? Yes. Well, I really like this. show you the Hunter logo. The logo is back there. I don't think you can see it, but it's back there. And here's some more housing. It's an interesting fan. Really like this fan. It's a 5-inch fan that does have a it does have a triangle canopy. You can actually use a triangle down rod. So, anyways, here's the top of it. There's medium. Oops. Medium. Here's medium. Sorry, I have to pull the filter now. Hi. Here's hi. It's really fast. So that's my Hunter Stratford. So that's it. Now it's time to take off the fan blades and putting to the other side. Hey guys, it's Rock again. Today we have a Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan and the wooden side. I showed you the white finish. Like I said, I got this additional habitat with a quick connectable and stuff. This is a 52-inch size, not the 42-inch size. This fan was made in July 3rd, 2003, according to the date on top. So let's show it. Here's the light. There's low. This medium. Medium. I am going to show you without the like in the next video. It's a hunter, so it's medium. Last speed. Last speed is high. Something's got in my eye. Never mind. It's no wall here. Oh, I don't want to screwdriver. He's off. Yeah, in case you didn't know, the reason why I put this pole chain out of here is because, it's kind of hard to follow for some reason. That's it for this. Next video will be without the light. Alright, here's my hint to my Colby. I got some Habitat along with the Stratford. Got 2 fans from Habitat yesterday. Stop this. This is also quick connectable too, because you can see when you put the glass on, they have this little clamps thing. And the blades are like quick connect. You just slide them in and it'll click on. How to do that is let me turn the light on here. What you do is just hit this little thing on here to take it off and stuff. And same thing with this. So that's it with my Hunter Stratford. The light kit. So I'll show you without the light kit next.